Dear students, how are you? I hope that you are well. I am Mohammad Bilal Hussain from Horinarayanpur Secondary Girls School, Kustia Shodor Kustia, welcoming you all in Bilal's English. Today I am going to take an important class on English first paper for the students of class 9 or 10. Before declaring the topic of the class, I am requesting you all to stay with my class from first to the last, as it will be very helpful. Watch the class several times if necessary. The words, theme and feelings described here will help you greatly. However, I am not making you late. Let's watch our today's topic. Today we will learn Lake Boikal, Unit 8, Lesson 4. So, thank you very much. Let's start our class. Learning outcomes. After the class, you will be able to say the meaning of some unknown words, hear some English pronunciation, say something about Lake Boikal, say some exceptional features of Lake Boikal, answer some questions regarding Lake Boikal. At the very beginning of our class, we will learn some new vocabulary related to our text. Remember, the picture on the words are very important. Let's start. Miracle. Miracle means an act believed to be caused by God. Let's see a sentence with the word miracle. Lake Boikal is a miracle of nature. Next, ancient. Ancient means old. Let's see a sentence with the word ancient. Lake Boikal is one of the ancient lakes in the world. Gigantic. Gigantic means large or vast. Let's see a sentence with the word gigantic. Boikal is a gigantic natural bowl. Brook. Brook means small river or small stream. Let's see a sentence with the word brook. Many brook, many brooks have been following through the Siberian region. Basin. Basin means bowl-shaped depression filled with water. Let's see a sentence with the word basin. The water basin of Lake Boikal is huge. Crest. Crest means top. Let's see a sentence with the word crest. A strong wind produces high waves with white crest in Lake Boikal. Now I have a look of the words again. Words meaning. Miracle, an act believed to be caused by God. Ancient. Ancient means old. Gigantic. Gigantic means large or vast. Brook. Brook means small river or small streams. Basin. Basin means bowl-shaped depression filled with water. Crest. Crest means top. Students, it can be expected that you have already learned the word meanings I have discussed. You must give emphasis on those words. Now, let's watch an article on Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. It is one of the biggest and most ancient lakes in the world. It is situated in the center of Asia. It flows 445 meters above the sea level. It is called the enormous, unusual and charming miracle of nature. It is located at the south of eastern Siberia in Russia. The lake covers 31,500 square kilometer. It is 636 kilometer long and an average of 48 kilometer wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometer. The water basin occupies 5,57,000 square kilometer and contains 23,000 cubic kilometers of water, which is about one-fifth of the world's reserves of fresh surface water. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meter. The average depth of the Lake Baikal is 730 meter and its maximum depth in the middle is 1620 meter. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to fill Baikal's basin and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams and brooks now flowing into Siberian Lake Sea to do the same. There are hot springs in the surrounding areas of Lake Baikal. The quality of the water of this spring is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter producing this water. Baikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and sunny. The water of the lake looks green and dark blue. But if the winds get stronger, Baikal turns black. Waves rising high with white crest. The beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional. Now, write some information about Lake Baikal. Number 1, about location of the lake. 2, length. 3, about width. 4, about highest depth. 5, about occupies an area. 6, about amount of water. Thanks. Now answer the following questions. A. Where is Lake Baikal located? B. What is the deepest lake in the world? C. Write about Baikal's length, width and depth. D. How much water does it contain? E. How is Lake Baikal's basin? F. When does it blow storm in Lake Baikal? So, my dear students, I am very near to finish my class. Now I am giving you a homework. You of course do it at your home. Homework. Make a list of attractive features of Lake Baikal. You may write it 10 to 15 sentences. So, thank you very much for staying with my class. I hope you have understood what I have discussed in my class. For better understanding, watch the class more than 2 or 3 times. Thank you very much. Stay safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.
Every night and every day, every night